Hello, my good friends from week 3. Okay, you guys, here's what we have going on this week. It's going to be straight ahead and very simple. The first thing that we're doing is watching the YouTube. That's what you're doing that right now. And then you're coming over and saying, the overview page is going to explain to me what's going on this week, and it'll do so in a very organized, well-ordered fashion. And then you're going to say, it's time for me to do the homework. But before I do the homework, I got to know how to do the homework. So that's why you'll download the study guide. That'll tell you how to perform the 2 statistical tests we're doing this week, the Z-test and the T-test. We're doing it in a Part 1, Part 2 configuration, wherein for 8 homework, Chapter 13, we're taking the Z-test and doing it, and then we're coming over and realizing that there's a difference in population size and etc., sample size, with the Z-test and the T-test, and doing homework 9, which is, or 9 is the task, and it's going to be Chapter 13, Part 2, where we're doing a T-test. And then we're coming over and saying, well, we did that. Now we know how to perform tests. We know how to do this stuff. These are statistical procedures that they thought they taught me when I was in undergrad, but they didn't really come through. It didn't really click. So that's why I'm taking you as if you're coming from square one. Never had a statistics class in your life. That's what I'm treating you as, because I know how uncertain people are about doing statistics in the first place. Not to insult your intelligence, just to basically make sure that everybody's on the same page. It always works out better that way. Then we're going to revisit an assignment which we've already accomplished in week 1, which was to create a research analysis. So we're going to download the study guide that we did before, create a research analysis, and then we're going to do assignment number 10, which is find an article that makes use of statistical analysis and summarize it in the fashion that we did before. Then each module has an exam attached to it, so we'll come up with number 11 exam, the 11th assignment of the semester, over Chapter 13, in which we're redoing the Z-test and the T-test. It's highly cool. And then we're going to make use of the module evaluation. That's pretty neat. Then I want you to video chat with me. So how do I do that? Well, it's simple enough. You call me on the telephone, and then we both say, okay, are you ready? And you go, yeah, Batch, I'm ready. And you click on Collaborate Ultra, Video Chat with Batch, and so do I. And at that time, we'll be basically face-to-face with each other in a video chat configuration. And I'll give you a little brief evaluation of some kind. Very simple. Don't have any stress about it. You don't have to fix yourself up for it. It's casual. Just show up. I'll show up. There we are. I'll be working in the yard or mowing the grass or whatever. I'll get the phone call. Oh, yeah, hang on. Shut down the lawnmower. Come inside. I'll be all sweaty and greasy and dirty, and you will too. And we'll be sitting there. You know, we might even enjoy a beverage together. Who knows what's going to happen in a video chat. But the thing is, we'll be having the video chat. So that'll be highly cool. If you have any questions at all over those Z and T tests, and you probably will because it's not easy stuff, call me. And, you know, most students think, oh, I can't call Batch. You know, he's with his family. He's mowing his grass. He's doing something. You can. I'm a 24-hour guy. 7 days a week, 24 hours. I'm at your service. Just call me. You'll be doing me a favor if you call, because I can answer your problems, answer your questions, solve your problems, hopefully. But don't think you're bothering me. You're not. It's what I want you to do. So please go ahead and make it a call whenever you need it. I will see you when you call me, and I'll see you in our video chat. And have a good week 3. Bye-bye.